Yes, hello. Today I'm going to learn commission, or how to find commission on Excel. First of all, if you're given the criteria that the commission should be 15% or 10%, then that is the criteria you should follow. To just example that I've given, look at this. You might be buying things of like 40,000 shillings. Go to the criteria, that is the percentage, 15% is the commission you have to be given out of the goods that you have bought at 40,000. You go to the next cell, develop the formula by beginning equal sign if, then if it appears here, left click on it, then capture the column where you're having this amount, that is column A, and the row should also put into consideration. So you capture column and the row, right? Then have that A, now the row as 1, right? So greater than or equal to the amount that you use to buy the products, that is 40,000. 40,000. Then after that comma, have again, put again the column, that is column A, then row 1, multiply by the percentage that you have to give out. It is 15%, that you either capture B, column B1 or 15%. Everything is right. So this is what you do. Now enter B1. Then after that, close the bracket that you opened here. So if you close the bracket, then press enter. Find that if you buy the product that takes at 40,000, you are to give out the commission of 6,000, right? So that is it. For example, you buy product of like 100,000, so the commission will obviously go up to 15,000 because the amount that you have used, it is a lot. So it depends on the criteria, that is the percentage you're given to give out the commission. Look at if you change the percentage here, like maybe to 5%, still the commission will change to 5,000, right? So that means that is how you find the commission, and the formula must be displayed here. So it is a formula that finds the commission. Guys, thank you.